Output devices. Any hardware component that shows you the final result is called an output device. कोई भी hardware component वो हमें output दिखाता है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Output device. Monitor. A monitor is an output device that is used to display text, pictures and videos. The monitor looks like a television screen. Whatever you type with the help of a keyboard is displayed on the monitor. The text or videos which you see on the monitor are called soft copy because the information is displayed for a temporary period of time. A monitor is an output device. See the picture of monitor. This is an output device that is used to display text. It looks like a television screen. आपको television screen जैसे दिखाई देते हैं ना ये. And कोई भी videos you can see on the monitor, है ना? Videos, text, everything you can see on the monitor. All these are called soft copy. Why? Because the information is displayed for a temporary period of time. ये थोड़ी देर के लिए दिखाई देते हैं, बाद में ये कंप्यूटर ऑफ करने से ये दिखाई नहीं देगा ना. So this is only a soft copy. This is displayed for a temporary period of time. Next, output device में आता है printer. A printer is an output device which is used to print text and graphics on paper. The text or graphics we get on the paper are called hard copy because the information is displayed on paper permanently. Hard copy is also called printout. This is printer. This is used to take the printout. This hardware device is used to take the printout, and the text or graphics get on the paper are called hard copy. ये इसको हम ये प्रिंटर से निकल के आता है, ये पेपर को हम क्या कहते हैं? हार्ड कॉपी. प्रिंट आउट को हम क्या कहते हैं? हार्ड कॉपी. Why? It's because the information displayed on the paper is permanent, ना? And hard copy is also called print out. Next is speakers. Speakers are output devices which are used to hear the sound output from a computer. You can listen to songs, speech and other different sounds through speakers. The speakers come in different shapes and sizes. You can see the picture of speakers. What is the use of speaker? To listen to songs, music, speech and other sounds, na? So the speakers come in different shapes and size. You can see the speakers in different color भी होता है, color shape में भी होता है. So speakers is also an output device and it's also a hardware. Next is storage devices. Any hardware component that is used to store data, instructions and information for future use is called a storage device. Storage device, hard disk. What is the use of storage device? Store data and information. Store data और information store करने के लिए. Why we are storing? Future use के लिए. Future में use करने के लिए हम store करके रखता है. But that is the main use of computer, no? So this is storage devices, and this is also a hardware component. Which are the storage devices here? Hard disk. A hard disk is the main storage device in a computer that can store large amount of data at a very fast speed. It is also called a hard drive. This is storage device. It can store data very fast speed. इसमें बहुत fast ये store कर सकता है और a large amount of data. Okay, so this is hard disk. It is also called hard drive. This is the picture of hard disk. It can store a large amount of data at very speed. This is also a hardware. Next is CD-ROM disk. So this is CD-ROM disk. CD-ROM stands for compact disc read-only memory. It's also used to save data. It is circular in shape. It can store up to 700 MB of data. This is also a storage device. It's called CD-ROM disk, read-only memory. And it also can store large amount of data. And this is circular in shape. This is CD-ROM disk, compact disk, read-only memory, and this is circular in shape. Next is DVD disc. DVD stands for digital video disc. It is similar to a CD in shape, but has a larger storage capacity. We can store up to 4.7 GB of data as compared to only 700 MB of data capacity of a CD-ROM. CD-ROM से भी ज़्यादा डाटा इसमें स्टोर होता है. So DVD, this is called DVD, digital video disc. DVD means digital video disc, that is similar to CD in shape. CD जैसे पहले CD देखा था ना, this CD-ROM जैसे shape same है, circular in shape, but it has larger storage capacity than the DVD disc. Sorry, CD. This is DVD disc. DVD stands for digital video disc, and this is circular in shape. And pen drive. Next storage device is pen drive. A pen drive is yet another storage device which is used to store data and information. This device is used to transfer data from one device or computer to another with ease. It is the most commonly used data storage device. This is called pen drive. Pen drive also is a storage device. Storage device है pen drive and hardware है. And this device is used to transfer data from one device और कंप्यूटर टू अनदर. कंप्यूटर में से डाटा एक जगह से दूसरा कंप्यूटर में ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए भी ये यूज़ होता है, स्टोर करने के लिए भी यूज़ होता है. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ए स्टोरेज डिवाइस. दिस इज़ पेन ड्राइव. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो ए स्टोरेज डिवाइस. इट इज़ यूज टू ट्रांसफ़र डाटास एंड इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वन डिवाइस टू another device. This is the most commonly used storage device. Which are the in this here we have seen output device. Which are the output device? Monitor, printer, speaker. These are the output devices. Monitor, printer and speaker. We are getting output through monitors, printer and speakers. And storage device में आता है हार्ड डिस्क, CD-ROM डिस्क, DVD डिस्क, पेन ड्राइव.